Today we are going to discuss some important topic that is previous years board important questions of determinant. So we are going to solve some examples and some the questions those are comes in previous years in board classes. So today's session is going to be very interesting because today we are going to discuss about all the things those are all the questions those are comes in previous years. So today's video is going to be very interesting because today's not only for interesting but also it is very important because today we are going to discuss some very important tools, some important questions, some important problems. How can we solve these questions and how can we perform on these questions? Let's see. So these questions are very important regarding board classes. So always careful that when you are going to solve these questions, you have to note in your notebook also. Okay, so let's start. What is the first question? Your first question is this comes in 2B. Okay, so we are going to solve now this question, and we have to think that what operation we can apply here. Just think about it with carefully and think how can we operate. Firstly, I am going to solve, so I am going to take the write the operation, write the question. There is a solution. Question is 1 plus a square minus b square. It is a twice of ab. It is a minus twice of b. It is a 2ab. It is a 1 minus a square plus b square. It is a twice of a. It is a twice of b. It is a minus twice of a. It is a 1 minus a square minus b square is here. And now we have to solve this question by operation. So how can we solve? We have to think that when we are saying about this and this, just look at here in first step and second step. I am going to operate r1 tends to r1 plus b r3. And how can we say that we have to apply this? Because when I multiply by b this line, so we can say that it is 2b square, and if I add, so it is something same. So what happened here? It is 1 plus a square plus it is a 2b multiplied by b, so it is 2b square. It is added, so it is 1 plus a square plus b square. What about here? 2ab and minus 2ab, so if I add them, so it is same, that is 0. What about here? It is a minus 2b. It is a minus 2b, and if I add, so it is b minus b a square minus b cube. It is a b minus 2b plus b minus b minus b a square minus b cube. Something is it is minus b a square minus b cube. Something is common. Minus b is the common, so we can say that it is 1 plus a square plus b square. Okay, b is taking the common b, so we can say that minus b is the common, so it is 1. It is a square and it is b square. So we can say that it is minus b and it is 1 plus a square plus b square. Okay, so first stage we have completed. We have operated board operation. So it is twice of ab. It is a 1 minus a square plus b square. It is a twice of a. It is a twice of b. It is a minus twice a. It is a 1 minus a square minus b square. Okay, so something is common. So 1 plus a square plus b square is common, so remaining part is the 1 0 minus b. It is a twice ab. It is a 1 minus a square plus b square. It is a twice of a. It is a twice of b, and it is minus twice of a. It is a 1 minus a square minus b square. Just think that what operation we have to apply now. I am thinking that if there is a 2ab and there is a 2b, so why I am not going to apply just multiply by a and add them. So I am going to operate in R2. Firstly, I am going to take the common is the 1 plus a square plus b square is the common, and going to add subtract r2 tends to r2 minus r3. Okay students, so upper element 1 0 minus b is the same, minus b is the same. Okay, second element is going to be changed, r2, it is a 2ab and it is also 2ab. So if I subtract this minus this, so we can say that it is 0. R2 tends to R2 minus AR3. Okay, we have to operate this operation. So it is a 2ab, and if I multiply by 2a means a, so it is a into 2b, so it is 2ab, and this minus this we can say that it is 0. Look at here, it is a 1 minus a square plus b square, it is a 1 minus a square plus b square, and here it is a plus 2a square, minus minus plus, so we can say that it is 2a square. What about here, it is a 1 plus a square plus b square, it is 1 plus a square plus b square is a common. Okay, look at here, it is 2a and it is 2a minus a minus plus it is a cube minus plus a b square. What about here, it is a plus a cube plus a b square. So a is the common, so it is 1 plus a square plus b square. So it is common, it is a 1 plus a square plus b square. And what about here, it is a 2b, it is a minus 2a, it is a 1 minus a square minus b square. Okay, so we have completed this part. Now third part is the same, that is a 2b minus 2a, and it is a minus b square, and it is minus का 2a minus 2a. Okay, now what operation we can apply, just think about it, what we have to do now. There are two zeros, but there is a common 1 plus a square plus b square, so I am going to take the common from here, so we can say that it is 1 plus a square plus b square is here, and it is whole square now, because it is 1 0 minus b, it is 0 1 a, it is 2b, it is minus 2a, and it is 1 minus a square minus b square. Okay, now what operation we have to apply? I think it is enough to, now we have to solve this question by mathematically we get 1 plus a square plus b square, one more. So I am going to apply this question. This is 1 plus a square plus b square to the power 2, and what about here, it is 1, and when I am going to use 1, so it is 1 minus a square minus b square minus plus it is a 2a square. Okay, and here it is a 0, so it is 0. What about here, it is minus b, so when we are using minus, so we can say that it is 0 minus 2b, 0 minus 2b. What about here, it is a 1 plus a square plus b square, and it is here 1 minus a square minus b square plus 2a square, it is plus 2b square. So what about here, it is a 1 plus a square plus b square to the power 2, and it is 1 minus a square 2a square, so 1 plus a square minus b square 2b square 1 plus b square. So students, what is the area, what is the answer? 1 plus a square plus b square to the power 3. So students, this is RHS and we have completed this question. This was very important question. So it was comes in 2013. It is very important question. It was comes in 2012. 2012. What is the question? Question is prove that what we have to prove. It is x, y, z, and it is x square, y square, z square. It is a 1 plus p x cube, 1 plus p y cube, 1 plus p z cube equal 1 plus p x y z, and it is x minus y, y minus z, and it is z minus x. So students, this is your question. This was comes in 2012. Okay, so x square 1 plus p x cube and y square 1 plus p y cube, z square 1 plus p z cube. So this is the question, and I think this type of questions I already solved out to you. So we are going to solve this question. So firstly I am going to write this question. So what is the I write here x, y, z. It is a x square, y square, z square. It is 1 plus p x cube, 1 plus p y cube, 1 plus p z cube. So what happened here? Now going to separate this. So we can say that it is x, y, z. It is a x square, y square, z square, and 1 plus it is 1 1 1. It is plus it is x, y, z, x square, y square, z square. So it is p x cube, it is a p y cube, it is a p z cube. This type of questions I already solved out in previous videos. So I am going to do the question fastly. So it is x, y, z, and it is x square, y square, z square. It is a 1 1 1. And what about here? It is a x is common from here, y is common from here, z is common from here, and p is common from here. So we can say that it is p x y z. What about here? It is a 1 x square, 1 y square, 1 z square. Okay, now when we replace this to this x y z is here, this to this, so there is a minus sign. This to this again minus sign. So we can say we are going to just change it. It is x y z. It is a x square, y square, z square. It is 1 1 1. What about here? It is the same. This is p x y z, and here it is x y z. It is x square, y square, z square. It is 1 1 1. Okay, we have done this step directly. So it is x y z, x square, y square, z square, 1 1 1 is the common. So what is the remaining part? Remaining part is 1 plus p x y z. Okay, both are same, so we take the common. Now we are going to apply operation, that is r1 tends to r1 minus r2 and r2 tends to r2 minus r3. This is we are going to apply this operation. So it is a x minus y, it is a x square minus y square, it is 0. It is a y minus z, it is a y square minus z square, it is a 0. It is z square and 1. Okay. Now it is also common, that is a 1 plus p x y z is remaining part. Let's see here, it is a x minus y, it is x plus y and x minus y. Take the formula of a square minus b square, we can say that it is same. It is a y minus z, and it is y plus z, and it is y minus z, and it is 0. It is z, and it is z square, it is 1. Okay, now it is 1 plus p x y z. Now what we have to do now, just think. X minus y, y minus z is a common, x minus y and y minus z is a common, and it is also common, that is a 1 plus b x y z. And what about here? It is 1 x plus y, it is 0, 1 y plus z, it is 0, it is z square 1. So we are going to operate with this, so this and this is eliminated, so it is x minus y, y minus z, it is 1 plus p x y z. What about here? It is y plus z minus x minus y, so we can say that y is cancelled by y, so it is x minus y, y minus z, and it is z minus x and 1 plus p x y z. So students, this is your answer and this is RHS. So we have completed successfully, we have done previous year's questions. So today's video was very interesting, so you have to share this video. Okay, so this is sufficient for today. We meet in next video. Till that, bye bye, take care.